that's just me. Nothing phony, don't hate on me. What you get is what you see. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know.
Is it just me, or is it that every time I get my hair done, I have a song for the hairstyle that I have in? Comment down below if it's just me, because like for every hairstyle I have in, there's a song for it. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I don't know. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi girl, I'm KK. How you doing? Like, I'm doing good today. I'm a bit sick, maybe you guys can hear it, but I'm doing good. How you doing? Comment that below too. How you doing? So today's video is gonna be about my hair. Of course, it's gonna be about my hair and all the jazz about this hair. So it's gonna be a hair review. So let's get straight into it. This hair is from Aliexpress, and the vendor which this hair is from is Aligrace, and it is the Brazilian body wave. This hair, which is 4 bundles, are in the length 14, 16 and 2/18. And girl, should I tell you that this hair looks really good? Like, it naturally looked good. I think I'm going to insert pictures of how it was, like how I got it, how the weft look, how the ends look, and the entire itself. And then we'll talk about the hair. Like, this hair is good hair. Like, I love this hair. It took the bleach well, as you can see, and it also took the dye well. So the color dye I used to accomplish this look is intense red and dark brown. So because I didn't want it to be a red, I wanted it to be a deep burgundy, but at the beauty store that I went to, they didn't have any, so I compromised. I bought dark brown. I used 1 bottle of dark brown, Adore. The brand I use is Adore. So I used 1 bottle of dark brown and 3 bottles of intense red, and I got this color. Like, this color is bomb. I love the color because this is the color I was going for. This is my second installation of this hair, by the way. I wore this hair for my birthday, that was in May, and then now I'm wearing it again, and this is like 3 weeks that I'm wearing this hair for now. In this installation, this is my 3rd week of wearing this hair. So yeah, that's how bomb this hair is. It's a sewing as well. I did not make a wig. It's a sewing with a U part because I don't have a closure or a frontal on. It's a sewing with a U part. And girl, let me tell you about that area, because the hair is so good, but I don't know if it's because I bleached it. The only problem I have is that the ends are a bit dead, dry, whatever you want to call it. Let me see if I can show y'all. I don't know if you can see it, but I hope you can see it. The ends are a bit dry, and then the hair sheds a lot. Like, it sheds a lot. I'm not going to be biased, but the hair is real good hair. Maybe if I didn't dye it, bleach it and dye it, maybe it would be real, it wouldn't be shedding. So if you know anything about hair, if you bleach it and dye it, it is going to shed a bit. So I don't know if that's the reason why it's shedding, and the dyeing is probably the reason why the ends are dead. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut this hair, but after I make it in a wig, then I want to cut it to about this length, toward the 14 stops, and then it will be like a bob, because I go to the gym. That's why I have this hairstyle in, because this is my gym look. I go to the gym and I sweat a lot, and you know, if you do sewings and you go to the gym and you sweat a lot, you tend to have to take out your hair faster than you would normally do. So to prevent all of that, I just do wigs, like wig. So I'm going to take this hair out probably next week or the week after next, and then I'm going to make it in a wig someday soon, hopefully. hopefully soon. Yeah. And what else should I tell you about the hair? Like, I have gotten so much compliments on this hair. Like, if you look on my Instagram, well, I don't know if people commented it or they just messaged me, but I got a lot of compliments about the hair, the color, how it look, how it curls, people loving it and all of that. The hair looks good, it feels good, like it feels so good. Like Aligrace hair, it does feel good. I did take notes on what to talk on, but I think I covered most of it. Like, it actually, yeah. Oh, one thing is, it is actually taller. The length is actually taller because it's, as I said, 18 inch normally catches me here, I think, and then you have this left, so it's like 20 inches of hair. But yeah, next time what I'm going to do is, before I install the hair, I'm going to measure it with a tape to show you guys, is it true to length, is it shorter, is it longer, and all of that jazz. But for now, guys, I had to do a review on this, like, totally, because all my friends keep asking me, where did I get this hair? And now when they do ask me, we can just send them to me YouTube, like, duh. Why not? Like, just say, okay, where I get this hair, just click the link and you'll find out where I got this hair from, right? So yes, guys, hope you guys liked this review. It's a hit and miss sometimes with hair, and I've been hitting so far, like hitting. So guys, stay tuned for my other review that I'll be doing on another hair company. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, guys. I do need the support. Subscribe, comment, share, like, do everything. Like, seriously, subscribe right now. Like, you can pause the video, because although it almost finished, you can still pause the video and just subscribe and then start playing back. Until next time, I'll see you. Mwah.